Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to locate Steam games that are already installed and backed up on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to start by clicking the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your Windows menu and give you access to various system folders and options that you'll need for this process. From the Start menu, click on Documents. This is one of the main folders where Windows organizes your files, and it will serve as your gateway to navigating through your system's storage locations. Once you're in Documents, you'll need to access your main storage drive to find where Steam actually stores all your game files. In the left panel of the Documents window, click on Local Disk C. This is your primary hard drive where Windows and most of your programs are installed, including Steam and all the games you've downloaded through it. Accessing this drive directly allows you to navigate through the core program folders on your system. Next, double-click on Program Files x86. This is the folder where most 32-bit applications and many games are installed on Windows systems. Steam typically installs itself here by default, so this is where you'll find all the related game data and backup files you're looking for. Once you're inside Program Files x86, double-click on the Steam folder. This is the main directory for your entire Steam installation, containing not just the application itself, but also all the game libraries, configuration files, and user data associated with your Steam account. Now double-click on the Steam Apps folder. This particular folder is crucial because it's where Steam organizes all your installed games, downloadable content, and game manifests. It's essentially the heart of your Steam library on your computer. Inside Steam Apps, double-click on the Common folder. This is the final destination you need to reach, as it's the specific location where all your actual game installation folders are stored individually. And there you have it. You can now see all your games that are installed and backed up on your system. Each folder you see here represents a different game in your library, making it easy to locate specific titles, verify installations, or manage your backup files directly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.